In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history on Amazon app, step by step. Whether you're tracking a shipment, confirming when you placed an order, or reviewing what you spent, the Amazon app makes it simple once you know where to look. Start by opening the Amazon app on your phone or tablet and signing into your account. If you're already signed in, you're all set. If not, enter your login details and complete any verification prompts so the app can securely load your personal orders. A stable internet connection helps everything appear quickly. Next, find the profile icon, which may be labeled You or Account. On many devices, it's a person-shaped icon along the bottom navigation bar. Tap that. If you don't see it, tap the menu icon instead, the three horizontal lines you'll usually find in the lower right or upper left. Either option takes you to the area where your account settings and shortcuts live. From there, select your orders. This is the dedicated hub for your entire purchase history. If it isn't visible right away, scroll a little. It typically appears near the top among other common account tools. When you open it, the app immediately displays your most recent purchases in reverse chronological order, so the newest orders are at the top. On this screen, each order shows the essentials you're likely looking for, the items you bought, the current delivery status, the order date, and the total amount charged. Status labels like not yet shipped, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered make it easy to understand what's happening at a glance. The order date confirms exactly when you placed it, and the total amount is helpful for budgeting or reconciling a statement. You'll usually see a thumbnail image of the item as well, which is handy if you're scanning quickly. If you share a device at home, double check you're signed into the correct Amazon account to avoid confusion. Keep in mind that the layout can vary a bit between iPhone and Android, but the path is consistent. Profile or menu, then your orders. And if you happen to be using a mobile browser instead of the app, going to Amazon.com, signing in, tapping the profile or menu area, and choosing your orders follows the same flow. To recap, open the Amazon app and sign in, tap the profile icon or the menu, and select your orders. That's all you need to view your recent purchases, see delivery status in real time, confirm order dates, and check total amounts. With this quick routine, you'll always know what you bought, when it's arriving, and what you paid.